Hi, this is Chris Keller with MuseGrid.com, and I'm going to show you how to add some of our older widgets to the MuseGrid library. We are retrofitting the files with MuseLib files as we're going along, but this is how you can add those items to your library. So first of all, let's open our library panel and let's take a look what's here. So we haven't got anything here at the moment. Well, we've got our library items, we haven't got any of our new items. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to create a file, and I'm going to call this MuseGrid Widgets. So I've got my file here, my MuseGrid Widgets with nothing sitting in it. I'm then going to open up one of our older widgets. So this one is our smart slider. So I'm going to click and grab that. I'm just going to move it around to make sure that I've got it. Yeah, I have. And now it's selected, I'm going to go into my library panel here and I'm going to click on the add selected item icon. So that's going to add that, and then I'm going to call it, I'm going to name it a smart slider. Now it's generated a little preview of that. So now if I go to a blank site where I haven't used this before, I can click on my MuseGrid widgets, I can select it, drag it onto the page there, and it's now there with all of its graphics and everything in place. So I now have the ability to just drag and drop those widgets onto the page. So that's how you do that. Very nice and simple. And it's this great thing to do to get all of your, especially the MuseGrid widgets, into a folder here, so that as you're building sites you can just quickly drag the items in, and the whole intention of this is to make your work process a lot faster. Thanks for watching.